Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have received this phone, and as per customer, see, he says that there is no power and there is no display and it has been dropped. As you can see, the temper has been broken. We'll charge this phone and see. Right now it's not powering on. When I click the power button, it's not getting powered on. Just charge the phone and see. I've kept this phone in charge for a while as it's not booting up, and I think there is no battery is drained out, so there is no charge in this battery. And here in this amp meter, the amps is taken by the phone. Now the phone is getting vibrate. It's vibrating like jig jig jig. Then for a few seconds it's doing nothing. Then again jig jig jig. Now this, I think there is more problem in this phone. Let's open it up and check it out what's going on. Okay friends, now I have removed the battery and I'll check through the charger. Even it's right now it's vibrating or not. Now after removing the battery and reconnecting the battery, what happens is the phone gets reset. As it is we are unable to view anything in the display, so so I'm unable to restart the phone. Let's check. The amp is going on. The amp is taken by the phone. Let's see it boots up or not. Again the same problem, it's vibrating, jig jig jig, again 1 second break, again jig jig jig, vibrating, again 1 second break. What I'll do is I'll put a new LCD and check it out what's going on. As the display is there. The display is there in the new LCD, but in the old LCD the display is not there. That means the LCD is not working. I have to change the LCD of this phone too. It's not only the matter of dead. The dead had happened due to the discharge of battery, and when I put the new LCD, the display is there, but the vibration, now I understand. The vibration was there with the cause of moisture. See, the moisture sign is there. Now what I'll do is I'll clean up the charging port and I'll check again if the phone gets charged or not. The vibration in Samsung phones, it comes due to the moisture. The moisture alarm is something like this, jig 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 and 1 second break, jig jig jig. That is the alarm of moisture sign. Now let me clean this phone and we'll check it out. I'm using the PCB cleaner to clean this charging connector. Hopefully, I hope that it gets clean and the charging starts. If the charging becomes okay, then I'll replace the LCD of this phone. Let's see, after cleaning the connector, it gets charged or not. Still the same problem. Moisture is still there. I have to clean more. I took out the charging connector and some moisture is there. Now I clean this charger connector with the PCB cleaner. I hope this will work after cleaning this connector, as most of the moisture comes through this connector. Okay friends, after cleaning the charging connector, it's getting charged. You can see the moisture problem had been solved. Now we have to change the LCD. Let charge almost around 20%, then we'll change the LCD of this phone. The power on issue has been solved. It was not power on due to the battery drainage, and it was not charging due to this moisture detection, which commonly comes in Samsung phone due to bad connector. If there is a dirt or a dust in the connector, or there is a liquid in the charging connector, then this moisture problem comes in this Samsung phone. Now I cleaned up the charging connector properly, so it's charging. I will keep this phone in charging for charging around 20%. Then we'll change the LCD of this phone. Alright friends, I've kept the phone in charge. Let's see what is the percentage of the charging. Let me remove this wrapper. It's 16% charged till now. 16%. Yes, it's 16%. Now I think it's time to change the LCD. Okay friends, this is the preheater where I'm heating the LCD so that the glue removes easily from the LCD. As here you can see the glue, the similar glue is there inside this LCD, so it gets warm up, then it will be easier to remove the LCD from this phone. Right now I am heating up and I am at 105 degree temperature. I usually use this tool to remove the LCD, as it's broken LCD, so there's nothing to worry or take care to remove the screen from the phone. See, here there is also a kind of tape, adhesive tape. So here it's a little bit tougher to remove. See, this is the screen. Now I have to remove this too. Finally it's removed. And we have to clean. Here there are lots of dots. The cleaning process is finished. I have cleaned all the edges of the phone so that this LCD get fitted properly. So let's work on LCD. Here is a adhesive which should be installed. So this part is for earthing. If we don't put it properly here, this should be touched over here. If it doesn't touch, then there will be a touch issue. Touch will not work properly. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. So this should be pasted. Yeah, that's why the adhesive has been given by the company. Okay, this is the fitting. It's good. Okay, now we'll put the adhesive. I'm using this Sunshine C7800. It's about to get finished. Anyway, I hope it will work. After installing this LCD, I need to clean it.
Okay.
So many adhesive come out due to this knob. I broke this knob. Anyways, I think it will not get here, because while installing this LCD, you should not put the adhesive in this area, because this is connected. This will touch this thing, and it's the chemical, so it will burn this strip. If this adhesive will burn this strip, then you will have an issue with the LCD. So never put the LCD adhesive in this place. The glue adhesive, whatever you call. I think I have to clean a bit over here. There are lots of adhesive. Okay, now it's final time to install. It looks, yeah, it look good. Now it's time to install. Okay, fine. Fine from here, fine from there. Dun dun dun. Here there are no screws, 1, 2, 3. As when I got this phone, the screws were not installed. I don't have an extra screw, so I'm not installing it. Now the camera is fine, it's clean. Here also it's clean. Everything is fine. Now let's power up the phone. Now I need some rubber. Okay. This rubber need to be installed so that it hold it properly with the phone, the new LCD, and the glue which I have put on. That glue should be attached properly and then when it gets dry, let's check the touch. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, I finished installing the aftermarket LCD and it's working absolutely fine. Alright friends, the phone is fixed. You know what we did in this phone. The phone was in dead condition and we tried to charge. It was giving a vibration error, and when we tried with the LCD we found that the phone was having a moisture problem. So we cleaned this connector and the phone started charging, and we replaced the LCD as the LCD was not displaying anything, the old LCD. So friend, this was a video for today, and please subscribe our channel as we had a target to reach 1K subscriber. And see you next video. Till that time, bye and Jai Hind.